Top 10 phone repair in Buffalo. 1. iGenius phone and computer repair, 5, 142 reviews, Genesee St. 2. Phone repair, 599 reviews, Alberta Dr. 3. iFixandRepair and Customize, 4.9, 1181 reviews, 2nd floor between Bath and Body Works. 4. Hi Mike High Tech, 4.9, 208 reviews, Roland Avenue. 5. iFixandRepair Williamsville, 4.9, 139 reviews, Transit Road. 6. Shikot Electronic Inc., 4.9, 31 reviews, Fillmore Avenue. 7. Lifeline Repairs, 4.8, 80 reviews, Harlem Rd. 8. EZFIX, 4.8, 50 reviews, 1. 9. uBreakiFix phone and computer repair, 4.7, 897 reviews, Niagara Falls Blvd. 10. Mr. Millennium, 4.7, 261 reviews, Amherst St.